again, from a statement po ni Duterte po kagabi. He clarified po kasi na he didn't call the President Bongbong Marcos daw po na drug addict siya. Sabi nga po niya, I never said drug addict, maybe taking a drug. And then he qualified na yun daw pong aspirin and antibiotic drug naman po. Just wanna get your thoughts kasi how do you think this can affect the political weather in the country kasi he is still the father of the Vice President. Yun lang po.
Doktor ako, drug. Ako naman, ano lang naman yun.
No comment, no comment.
Yun, siguro, ano naman yan. Welcome pa rin yan, sa totoo lang. From a negative statement to a positive one, ako tingin ko welcome po yun. Yun lang mga masasabi ko. Mas maganda yung gano'n na klaro na hindi niya sinabi po yun.